Assalamualaikum. This is Humayet Asif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing an Arduino based smart kitchen accident avoider with a flame sensor and a gas detector sensor. Is a great project to keep your kitchen safe from accidents. This project uses a flame sensor to detect any fire accidents and a gas detector sensor to detect any gas leaks in the kitchen. To build this project, you will need an Arduino board, a flame sensor, a gas detector sensor and two buzzers. You will also need to connect the sensor to a power supply. The first step is to connect the flame sensor and gas detector sensor to the Arduino board. Once the sensors are connected, you will need to write some code to monitor the reading from the sensor and trigger an alarm if a fire or gas leak is detected. You can use the Arduino IDE to write the code and upload it to the Arduino board. The code will constantly monitor the reading from the sensors, and if the flame sensor detects any flame or the gas detector sensor detects any gas leaks, it will trigger the buzzer to sound an alarm. Overall, this project is a great way to learn about Arduino sensors and safety. It's also a great way to keep your kitchen safe from accidents and give you peace of mind.